everyone, it's me Abuzar Ahmed
And my name is Aisha Ahmed.
and you're watching Optimistic Kids. And today we are unboxing a new mobile Huawei P30 Lite. So let's get started. Welcome back, friends. This is Huawei P30 Lite. We bought it from Amazon. Now let's open it. Wow.
Whoa. Awesome.
Here is the mobile.
Awesome. Get it out of the shopper.
Look at it. It's so cool. Its color is peacock blue. Its hard disk 128 GB. RAM 6 GB. 1 front camera and 3 back cameras. 48 MP triple cameras.
Now let's unbox his casing. Okay. I wonder. Dude,
This is like a glass. Are you kidding me? It's so cool.
It is a transparent and it looks like a rubber.
Wow. Now let's open this up. Wow. Check it out. It has a wire and a charger of the phone. Cool. And also don't forget there's a headphone over here to listen some music. Check the headphones out. Come on out. Headphone. Look at it. Look at it. It has his wire and a charger. Even the headphones. Take a closer look. It's so cool. Okay, let's put it back where it belongs. Good night, charger. Okay. And done. Okay, friends. Now I'm gonna put on the casing on the mobile. Aisha, can you please give me the casing?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, here we go. And look at it, friends. Almost done. Look at it.
Dude, look.
Watch out. This is the pin. Let's put it way over there. There's something else inside. Whoa. Friends, do you know what is it? Yeah, these are the instructions of the mobile, that how does it work. So there's no difficulties when we have an instruction.
Yeah, brothers.
It's like an. So friends, I hope you like our video. If you like it, then just click right up there to subscribe and click right over here to like. Check out this mobile once again.
And we will see you in the next video.
Bye.